Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reactivate silica gel packets. Place packets on an oven-safe tray in a single layer, then set an oven to low heat. Check packets every 15 minutes until they feel dry and warm. Avoid high heat that can damage the packet material. Let packets cool fully before handling. Store reactivated packets in airtight containers to preserve dryness and extend their usefulness. In this video, I will explain how to reactivate silica gel packets. Arrange packets on a baking tray and set the oven to 250 degrees F. Heat for 1 to 2 hours, checking every 15 to 20 minutes until they feel dry and slightly warm. Remove trays carefully with mitts and cool packets on a non-flammable surface. Store cooled packets in sealed jars or plastic bags with a tight seal for long-term reuse. In this video, I will review how to reactivate silica gel packets. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth for smart money habits that complement reusable DIY tricks. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember the book makes a great gift. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you reactivate silica gel packets using alternative methods. For microwave reactivation, ensure no metal is present and heat in short 30-second bursts, checking often. For a non-heat approach, bury packets in dry rice or coarse salt for several days to draw out moisture. A dehydrator set to about 122 degrees F offers a steady, low-risk method. Always verify dryness before reuse and cool before storing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.